What was your idea behind this song, Lord Aja?
So Lotas is a romantic song. So it's all about love being lost and found then. So the idea of this song is like it's all about alcohol abuse and de-addiction. So we are giving the message to the fans that everything can be defeated, whether it's alcohol abuse or addiction. With true love, you can defeat anything, you can conquer everything.
You would like to share something with us?
Well, I exactly feel the same because nowadays there are a lot of relationship issues, like a lot of breakups happening nowadays. Relationships are not that long and lasting because I feel there are a lot of addiction and stress issues and things like that. Back then, people used to value love. But I feel that when people start realizing they can defeat anything, whether it be stress or alcohol abuse, drug addiction, or any other issues. When the love is true, you can actually fight anything.
This song has a great messaging as we just heard it from you guys. Um, the messaging for youth, basically, right? Are there any other social issues that you'll be targeting in the next video of yours? Any collaboration you guys are coming up with which, talks about the next upcoming youth issues?
Yeah. So my next song, it's not about any social message, and it's more like a commercial song because today nowadays like commercial songs are working in the market actually. So but this song I was like I have to do something. I have to deliver some message to the social network and to the youth that I wanted to do something good. So this song was related to this that I made this song. That's why because my previous songs they were all peppy songs or some was a sad song, but this song I specially made to deliver a message to the people. Thank you.
Um, you will give us a brief idea of your inspirations of how did you guys jump into music and how did you come into acting?
Yeah.
Well, my journey into acting was quite a surprise because my parents were completely against it. They didn't want me to do that. I have studied psychology, and they always thought that education was the backbone, and one should actually pursue education, and which is something that I would like to say to the youth, because please carry on with your education and then pursue your dreams. And that's what happened. And then after that, while I was doing my college, I was doing a lot of tvcs and ads, and one of my tvcs was sent across to ace director in south, Puri Jagannath sir, and that's where I got my first south break, and that's when I started doing movies. And yeah, that's about it. What about you, Madhav?
Yeah, so my journey started like while I was doing my MBBS, so I started doing covers. I was always fond of music since my childhood. So one of my covers, Enna Sona, so it went viral on the Facebook and YouTube. So that boosted my that boosted me that I should continue this. I started making more covers, and they all went viral. So then after completing my MBBS, I thought that I should say to my parents that I want to pursue singing, not MBBS, and it was very hard call for me because I'm from an educational family and how will they understand this? But I told them and they supported me in this, and after that I started and making this my career, and it went really well.
I have this, we have this question which says, we have seen you doing a little bit of acting in the video, right?
Yeah. So
So are you going to step in acting and are you going to step in music?
trust me, I'm not a good actor. So yeah, my previous songs I was very afraid of acting, and by every passing song, this is my fifth song. So yeah, it helped me a lot to learn, and I learned a lot from Angela itself, from my last song itself. So I learned a lot. Yeah, but yeah, I can pursue it as well. It's my dream now, and I really like acting actually more than singing.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I'd like to come up with a secret actually. He's a great actor, and the way he's learning, it's really quick and it's really nice. And the way he's acted in the song, I mean, major portions he had to emote emotions and things like that. It was amazing. And there's a secret that he had actually, he not even auditioned for a role, but yeah, he did get selected for a lead actor for in a film, Anil Sharma film, and then he called it off. That was a very bad decision, but yes, he wanted to pursue music. That's why he called it off and things like that. And yeah, I actually recommend him to pursue acting.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Do you like to pursue music?
I like music, but I don't think so. I can pursue music because I'm not so good. So
There's a
yeah.
secret. She also sings really nice. Yeah.
No, no, no.
You
not
would
at all.
like to sing 2 lines for us?
No, I'm not a good singer.
Yeah, she is actually.
Yeah.
So alcohol abuse is a big problem in this country right now. What do you have to say about that?
Well, we live in a country which is which we live in a very cultured country, and actually our country has given us a lot of traditions and values and things like that. Alcohol abuse is not only predominant in this country, but I think all over, and I feel as an individual, should take steps against it, because it's not only bad for people around them, but it's actually bad for them and their whole system. So I feel one should fight against it for themselves, not for others.
Tell us about your collaboration with Kyunki and the music video for it.
Yeah. So I collaborated with Kyunki in February. So till now, my 4 songs has been released, and it's been a great journey with Kyunki. They have promoted my songs a lot. They have helped me reach to many people whom I cannot reach by myself. So yeah, they have helped me a lot since now.
Anything in the pipeline?
Yeah, there are 2-3 songs which are in the pipeline. They are from One Music Originals. It's a completely different kind of a Coke Studio kind of stuff, and one is totally commercial. So yeah, they are coming. 3 songs are coming.
Pipeline for you?
Yes, I just finished a web series called Pavan and Pooja, which is directed by Shahid Ali, the director of Bunty and Bubbly, Satya, Ravan. It's opposite Sharman Joshi. So yeah, that's the web series, and from next month onwards, I'll be shooting for a film opposite Shreyas Talpade. So yes, that's about it.
You would like to sing this song for us?
Yeah,
Two
sure.
lines.
Sure. परियां वर्गी तू हाँ तू किन्नी सोनी है तेनू याद कर करनी अखियां मेरी रोनी है तू छड़ गई मैनू क्यों राहां च रोलगी क्यों ए जिंदड़ी नाल बितावांगे तू दस्सिया सी मैनू क्यों यारा लौट आ जावे वे मैं रहना नी ए हो गम तेरी जुदाई वाला मैं हुन सहना नी थैंक यू
Thank you.